Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this look, my demonic witch look. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you're interested, then please continue watching. Alrighty, what we're going to start off with is I'm just going to tie my hair back, making sure it's all out of my face. So what I'm going to start off with first is I'm going to use my foundation. So I just picked up a foundation from Kmart. It's super inexpensive. It's called the OXX Studio Foundation and I picked up a very light shade. So the shade that I picked up is Porcelain No. 1 Longwear Matte Foundation and it looks like this. So that's the foundation that I picked up. So I'm just going to take this and apply this all over my face. I want to be a lighter shade because that's the color of a witch, I believe. So just taking the foundation, I'm just going to pump 1, 2, 3 pumps on the back of my hand there. I'm just going to take that and we are literally going to dot that. I hope this shade is actually lighter than my skin color. I hope it doesn't blend in because that was the whole sort of purpose of this. So I'm just going to start blending. It seems to be a very thick consistency. Yay, it's actually a bit lighter, so that's good. Wow, it shows a lot lighter on camera. And to be honest guys, with this whole entire look, I'm actually not too fussed with if I blend it well or not. Don't really like this foundation, to be honest. It's got a very strong fragrance and I can already tell it's stinging my eyes. Oh my god, my eyes are stinging. Yeah, just be sure if you do use this that you don't actually apply this near your eyes. Wow, I look like a ghost. And we have to bring this all the way down as well. So let's do that. Love it! I love it! I'm going to take a little bit more foundation because I want to be white. I want to be pale all over my face. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my lips as well just so I can mute out the color a little bit. Yay, I think we're getting to the consistency or the level of paleness that I want. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, because around my eyes I didn't actually apply the foundation, I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and this is in the shade light pale. So this is what I'm going to use to sort of combat that darkness around my eyes. Although I don't actually mind because I'm dressing up as a witch and witches aren't meant to have, like, you know, good skin. But let me just cover this. So oh my god, this is so funny. I literally cannot deal. Okay, so I'm happy with how it's looking. Okay, I'm not too sure what I do next. What should I do next? Let's do the eyebrows because I really want my eyebrows to be really defined. Alrighty, so I'm just going to intensify my eyebrows and I want to create sort of a really sort of deep arch. And it doesn't have to be precise at all because we are going for a messy sort of look. Can you tell the difference? We'll do the same to the other side. Okay, I think I'm happy with the eyebrows. I don't actually know what I'm doing, so... Okay, so now that we're done with eyebrows, I'm going to work towards my eyes now. And I quickly picked up this BYS eyeshadow palette because I needed a black eyeshadow. I wanted to use this one and I wanted to do my eyeshadow black and sort of smudge it into like a smoky eyeshadow look. So let's give this a try. Wish me luck. So this is what the eyes are looking like at the moment. I look a bit like horrific, but that's okay. got this lip art. Actually, it's a lip art, so but it's a metallic grey color. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, it's a glittery shade, and I'm just going to put that on the, you know, the eyelids, and just, you know, give it a little bit more sparkle and shine. I think that might look pretty. Let's give that a try. I'm going to take a contouring brush. We're not done with the eyes yet, but what I'm going to do, I just remembered. So I'm going to take my contouring brush, and we are going to sort of, you know, contour and put in some cheekbones. So I'm just taking that black eyeliner that I've been using. You know what, guys, what I realized? This is actually not a contouring brush. What am I thinking? It's a highlighter brush. Idiot. Absolute idiot. So I'm going to take just a normal brush, and I'm going to use that to do the contouring. And let's just do a little bit more on our forehead. Okay, so done with the sort of sculpting of the face. So essentially, I think I'm going for a demonic sort of witch look. I'm just going to wing it and see how we go, but I'm just going to sort of curl my lashes now. And we're going to apply generous coats of mascara. And what you could also do is actually apply false lashes as well if you did want to intensify the look a bit. So now taking my black lipstick, this is from BYS, so I'm going to apply some black lipstick to my lips. I cannot believe that's me, guys. Alright, so guys, this is totally optional, but I'm thinking I want to put on some sort of tears under my eyes. I'm not too sure if that's going to be too much. Okay guys, so I think I am actually done with the makeup finally. So what I've just done, I've just added some tears just to sort of fill in that space there. Finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into a bun. So I'm just going to take my hair, I'm going to try putting that into a bun, into a low bun in fact, and making sure that does not fall out. And next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my little hairnet here because we are going to apply a wig. So I've never done this before. Let's just give this a try. Okay, so I've got my hairnet on. Now I have a wig, you guys. Here is my wig. Woo! Nice and long. So let's give this a try if it fits or not. And that is the completed look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video.